What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to apply for jobs on Glassdoor. So you might be wondering how to exactly apply for a job here in Glassdoor. Well, this one is fairly simple. First things first, you want to go to glassdoor.com and you want to just basically create your account. Now you can manually create your account by entering your email here, but you could go and choose your Google account or your Apple account here to create your account. Let's go and choose our Google account here and choose our Google account, and let's go and just agree to a few things here. Click on continue, and it's going to create your account for you. Now from here, the first thing that you can see here is you could set up your experience here if you want. So in this case, you could either answer yes, not currently you're a student. Let's go and choose not currently. And what are you looking for? So you could specify your desired job title here, desired location, and let's go and click on next. Now from here, let's go and click on next. And from here, what's your industry? It's going to automatically basically choose this for you. So I can go and change this just in case. So let's just choose the design as an example. Tech industry is going to be tech. Let's go and click on next. Now from here, we want to go ahead and just wait for it to load up. Now from here, you can go and choose or add a community if you want, but let's go and click on done for now. Now, once you've done that, it should actually build your profile here, and you should be able to basically see the current feeds here. But since we want to apply for a job, you want to go and click on jobs at the very top here, and just wait for it to appear. And from here, you could go and start searching for jobs. Now, from here, maybe we want to go ahead and just search for something in Manila, and let's go and choose this one. And the perfect job here is going to be software developer. As this is just an example, so go and choose this one. Choose this one. It's going to basically search for us, and it's going to give us basically all the job posting specifically from that keyword. Now it might not be a lot. You might also get 0 results here, but in this case, if you want to apply, you could go and click on the easy apply option here at the top right, and it should basically open up Indeed in here, which in this case, you need to basically fill out the necessary details here. So you can add your first name, last name, phone number, your email address, and your state here. And also it will ask you, or they will be asking you about your experience, your current skill set. So it's like filling up a resume here. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.